Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change language in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, we need to click right mouse button on icon with a start. After that we need to go to settings. Here we need to go to time, language, speech, region and date settings. And now we need to select from the left panel something like language. Now we need to go to add a language section and we need to click a plus button here. Now we need to type a name of the language that we want to install. For example, I type here English and I select here Ireland. Now I click next and I check here all boxes, set as my Windows display language too, don't forget to check this box, and now I click install. After a moment your language will be successfully installed here, and how you see it has been successfully displayed on this list. So now you can use Windows 10 in this one language. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.